Myself Junaid Ahmed Chaudhary, and today now we are going to do the profile leveling and cross-sectional leveling. Okay, so as Binod, Krishna and Shankar is going to assist me to conduct this experiment. Okay, so as you can see, we have laid down the center line of the road. This road is already constructed, but for a proposed road, first we have to lay down this center line. Okay, and next we have to find out the RL of different points along this chain line. Okay, so now here we have laid the center line, and at equal intervals, that means at 0 meter, at every 5 meter intervals, we will take the longitudinal points, and we will find out the RL of those particular points. And at 0 meter, 15 meter and 30 meter, we will take the cross section at 1 meter and 2 meter on either side of the chain line. Okay, so let us start the experiment. So come here. As you can see, we have set up the instruments. This is our stand and this is our auto level. First we have to fix this auto level in the stand, then we have to balance the instrument with the help of these three are called foot screws, and this is called focusing screw. Okay, so with the help of these foot screws, we have leveled the instrument. As you can see, the bubble is at the center, and with the help of this focusing screw, we will fix the crosshairs, because without fixing those crosshairs, if the crosshairs are not clearly visible, we can't take the readings. Okay, so let us start the readings. So first we will take the reading at our benchmark, which is a point of known elevation. So Binod is going to hold the staff there, and we will take the reading. Okay, so Binod is holding the staff at the benchmark, and okay, so the first reading, as I can see, the first value is coming as 1.325. Okay, which will be known as our backside. Okay, here first we will do the profile leveling. That means we will take the readings along the longitudinal section. So this is our first reading, which is the staff is held at 0 meter. So the reading is coming as 1.250. Okay, so next you come to 5 meter. Okay, so the reading is coming as 1.020. Next go to 10 meter. So we are taking at every 5 meter intervals along the chain line. Okay, so the next reading is coming as 2.110. The next reading is at 15 meter along the chain line, and the reading is coming as 1.160. Next reading is at 20 meter, and this reading is coming as 1.520. 25 meter, and the reading is coming as 1.700. And the last reading is at 30 meter, and it is along the chain line, and the reading is coming as 1.260. Okay.
Start.
Now we are going to take the cross section. So the first reading we will take at 1 meter on the right side, on left side of the chain line. So at 1 meter the reading is coming as 1.905, and at 2 meter the reading is coming as 2.120. So let us move on the left side or on the right side. So at 1 meter the reading is coming as 1.705, and at 2 meter on right side of the chain line it will be 1.520.
এই বন্ধ না, সেটি কাটবে লাগবে না ফিরে।
Okay. So now let us take the reading at 15 meter. At 1 meter, on left side of the chain at 15 meter, the the value is coming as 1.265, and at 2 meter, on left side of the chain at 15 meter chain is the value is 0.725. So now we are going to take the reading on right side of the chain line. So at 1 meter the value is 2.125, and at 2 meter the value is 0.890. Now
No. Stop.
so at 30 meter chain is Vinod is holding the staff at 1 meter on the left side of the chain, and the reading is coming as 2.120. And at 2 meter on the left side of the chain the value is coming as 1.265. So the next reading is on the right side of the chain line, and at 1 meter distance at 30 meter chain is the value is 1.520, and at 2 meter at 30 meter chain is the value is coming as 1.160. So this is the last reading for this instrument and also for the experiment. So this will be known as foresight. And after since we have got all the values at all the points, so now our work is to plot all the values in a tabular format, and we have to find out the RL of all the points at which we have hold the stuff, and then we have to check the readings whether these are correct or wrong by either height of instrument method or rise and fall method. Okay, so after getting all the elevations, we can plot the longitudinal profile and the cross sectional profile of the section, and this is all about this experiment. Okay, thank you.